Welcome children. Today's worksheet number 37, life processes. In this worksheet we will learn about nutrition and photosynthesis. The fundamental life processes shown by living organisms are nutrition, respiration, excretion, transportation, growth and reproduction. All these are fundamental life processes which are shown by all living organisms. So, nutrition, respiration, excretion, transportation, growth and reproduction. Now, what is nutrition? Nutrition is the process of taking in food and converting it into energy and other vital nutrients required for life. So, basically, nutrition is the process of taking in food for converting it into energy and other required nutrients for the life. Nutrients are the substances which provide nutrition. Nutrients क्या होते हैं बच्चों? These are the substances which provide nutrition to our body. Nutrients are required by organism for growth, development and synthesizing protein and other substances. Why we need nutrients? Nutrients are required for growth, development of the body, synthesizing protein and other substances which are required for the body. Now, mode of nutrition. There are two modes of nutrition. What do you mean by mode of nutrition? The general requirement for energy and material is common, but it is fulfilled in different ways. Also, all living organisms required energy and material, but way of converting glucose or converting carbohydrate into energy and material is common, but it is fulfilled in different ways. अलग अलग ढंग से अलग अलग एनिमल्स में ये फुलफिल होता है फॉर converting the material into energy. So the mode of nutrition are of two types. First one is autotrophic and second one is heterotrophic. What do you mean by autotrophic or what are autotrophs? Some organisms use simple food obtained from inorganic substances like carbon dioxide and water, making food of its own in the presence of sunlight. So this process is known as photosynthesis. Some green plants, algae and some bacteria, and all green plants, not some, all green plants, algae and some bacteria prepared their own food by using carbon dioxide, water and in the presence of sunlight. They prepared their own food. That is why they are called autotrophs, and such mode of nutrition is known as autotrophic nutrition. Now, heterotrophic nutrition. Animals use complex compounds which have to be broken down into simpler forms before they are used for growth and upkeep of their body. जो heterotrophs nutrition है, in this nutrition animals use complex compounds which are made by plants which have to be broken down, जिनको हम क्या करते हैं फर्स्ट ब्रेक डाउन करते हैं into simpler substances or simpler form before they are used for growth and upkeep of their body. So in this category all animals, humans and fungi, all animals, humans and fungi are called heterotrophs, and such type of nutrition is known as heterotrophic nutrition. Now, carbohydrates are utilized for providing energy to plant, and the carbohydrate which are not used immediately are stored in the form of starch. जो यूज़ कर लिया जाता है एनर्जी के लिए प्लांट्स द्वारा कार्बोहाइड्रेट, और रिमेनिंग पार्ट जो है वो किस में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है बच्चों? दैट इज़ स्टोर्ड इन द फॉर्म ऑफ स्टार्च के फॉर्म में प्लांट्स के डिफरेंट पार्ट्स में स्टोर हो जाता है. नाउ व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय प्रोसेस ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस? The process of photosynthesis or process by which autotrophs take in carbon dioxide from air and water from the soil are then converted into carbohydrate in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. So all green plants convert take simple organic compounds like carbon dioxide and water from soil, carbon dioxide from air. These inorganic compounds converted into carbohydrate in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. This process is known as photosynthesis. The glucose produced is used as a fuel for various cellular activities. ग्लूकोज क्या होता है? इज़ यूज्ड एज ए फ्यूल फॉर वेरियस सेलुलर एक्टिविटीज़ के लिए फ्यूल की तरह यूज़ करता है. सो इट प्रोवाइड एनर्जी टू द एनिमल्स और प्लांट्स. नाउ द बाई प्रोडक्ट ऑफ दिस बायोकेमिकल प्रोसेस इज ऑक्सीजन. ऑक्सीजन जो है इसका बाई प्रोडक्ट है. जस्ट लाइक वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट, इट इज़ फॉर्म ड्यूरिंग द process of photosynthesis, which is useless for which is byproduct of the reaction. Here the reaction is given to you. Chemical representation, chemical equation of photosynthesis. What is the chemical equation for photosynthesis? 6CO2 means 6 molecules of carbon dioxide, 12 molecules of water converted into glucose C6H12O6, oxygen and 6 molecules of H2O. So carbon dioxide and water in the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight, it forms glucose. Glucose and 6 molecules of oxygen and 6 molecules of water. This is the reaction for photosynthesis. Now we will discuss site of photosynthesis and raw material is required for photosynthesis. So raw material required for photosynthesis is, first one is carbon dioxide gas, which plants obtain from the air, water absorbed by the roots from the soil, and sunlight trapped by chlorophyll. Sunlight is trapped by chlorophyll. Act as a source of carbon and oxygen. So carbon dioxide act as a source of carbon and oxygen in the formation of glucose. Glucose formation में कार्बन और ऑक्सीजन कहाँ से आती है बच्चों? कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड से. Source of hydrogen in the formation of glucose and also in the formation of oxygen. जो ऑक्सीजन बनती है और ग्लूकोज में हाइड्रोजन मॉलिक्यूल यूज़ होते हैं, हाइड्रोजन एटम्स. ये कहाँ से आते हैं? these are hydrogen and oxygen are sourced from water. Now sunlight, what is the function of sunlight? Sunlight trapped by chlorophyll, source of energy for photosynthesis. So photosynthesis के लिए मेन एनर्जी कहाँ से मिलती है? फ्रॉम सनलाइट. Sunlight is trapped by the chlorophyll, which is green pigment present in the plants. Now site of photosynthesis, कहाँ पर होती है photosynthesis बच्चों? Photosynthesis take place in special organelles known as chloroplast, containing a green pigment which is known as chlorophyll. So all green part of the plant containing cell organelle named chloroplast and which contain green pigment, that is why it is green, and this pigment is called chlorophyll. So chlorophyll is also necessary for the photosynthesis. Now chlorophyll or green pigment not only provide the green color of the leaf or stem but also responsible for the trapping sunlight or also responsible for the photosynthesis. Now steps of photosynthesis. Main steps of photosynthesis. There are three main processes of photosynthesis. First one is absorption of light energy by chlorophyll. Chlorophyll का क्या function है बच्चों? Absorption of light energy or sunlight. Second, conversion of light energy to chemical energy by splitting of water molecule into hydrogen and oxygen. इसके बाद क्या होता है? कन्वर्जन ऑफ लाइट एनर्जी टू केमिकल एनर्जी. लाइट एनर्जी केमिकल एनर्जी में कन्वर्ट हो जाती है. और क्या होता है? एंड स्प्लिटिंग ऑफ वाटर मॉलिक्यूल इनटू हाइड्रोजन एंड ऑक्सीजन. एंड थर्ड स्टेप इज रिडक्शन ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड रिड्यूस हो जाती है बाय हाइड्रोजन and form carbohydrate and glucose. These are the three steps for photosynthesis. These steps need not take place after the other immediately. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि सब में एक के बाद एक ये स्टेप्स परफॉर्म हो या टेक प्लेस हो. इन फॉर एग्जाम्पल इन डेजर्ट्स प्लांट्स take up carbon dioxide at night and prepared an intermediate product which is acted upon by energy absorbed by the chlorophyll during the day. तो इन डेजर्ट्स प्लांट्स में क्या होता है बच्चों? टेक अप कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एट नाइट. वो रात को कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एब्जॉर्ब करते हैं और क्या कर देते हैं? प्रिपेयर एन इंटरमीडिएट प्रोडक्ट विच इज़ एक्टेड अपॉन बाय द एनर्जी. और दिन में क्या होता है? उस इंटरमीडिएट प्रोडक्ट जो प्रिपेयर किया गया है एट नाइट एक्टेड अपॉन बाय एनर्जी एब्जॉर्ब बाय द क्लोरोफिल ड्यूरिंग द डे. और डे टाइम में एनर्जी रिलीज होती है. थिंक एंड राइट द आंसर. सो यू हैव टू राइट द आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. Differentiate between autotrophic and heterotrophic type of nutrition. You have to differentiate autotrophic and heterotrophic nutrition. So you can write very well autotrophic and heterotrophic nutrition. Second question is explain the process by which autotrophs make their food and also write its biochemical reaction. You have to explain the process of photosynthesis. So you have to write explain the process of photosynthesis, 3 points of photosynthesis. Also you have to write the equation for photosynthesis which is given in the worksheet. Now question number 3, what are the raw material for photosynthesis? How are they helpful in this process? So you have to give in the list of raw material: carbon dioxide, water and sunlight. So you can write the names of raw material and how they are helpful in this process. You can write very well by this chart, with the help of this chart. This is the absorption of roots. Water is absorbed by roots and sunlight is trapped by chlorophyll. And what is the source? Acts as a source. You can write also the act as a source: carbon dioxide, water and sunlight. Now next question is what is the site for photosynthesis? You have to give in. These are the chloroplast, cell organelles present in the cell. Chloroplast, these are the site for photosynthesis. So you can write photosynthesis take place in a special cell organelles called chloroplast containing green pigment called chlorophyll. These are the site of photosynthesis. Last question is write the different steps of photosynthesis. So you have to write the different steps. You have to give in this different steps. There are 3 main steps of photosynthesis. First one is absorption of light energy by chlorophyll. second conversion of light energy to chemical energy and splitting of water molecule, and third is reduction of carbon dioxide by hydrogen to form carbohydrate and glucose. So you can write 3 steps for photosynthesis. Thanks for watching.